Nigga. Nigga, shush. Okay. What is up, you guys? It is your boy PrettyBoyFloyd here, and in today's video we're going to do a review on this Banish skincare product line. The Banish skincare product line is meant for those specifically trying to get rid of acne scars. As you guys know, I've been trying to get rid of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Now these products in here actually are formulated to brighten up and even out the skin tone. For those of you who don't know how I got my hyperpigmentation, it's from razor bumps. I've addressed this in other older videos and I'm not gonna keep on telling you guys the story, but basically after I got these razor bumps, after they healed, they left hyperpigmentation. So it just makes my beard area look a little bit darker than my actual skin tone is. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna walk you guys through the whole skincare routine, but first I'm just gonna explain to you guys all the products that come in the Banish and starter kit. So first up we have the Banish oil. Now this is the vitamin. So next up we have the Vitamin C Beauty Elixir. Now this has aloe vera and tea tree oil. The aloe vera helps soothe any inflammation, and the tea tree oil, if you guys don't know, it's an antibacterial oil, so it helps with those pimples. So you use this after you use the Banishing oil. Next up we have the Banisher, very similar. I think it is the exact same thing like a derma roller. If you guys ever heard of a derma roller, basically it has like little micro needles that you roll on your skin. It's supposed to like purposely, I don't want to say damage the skin, but it's supposed to like poke like tiny little micro holes in your skin so that it forces the skin to make new collagen to speed up the cell renewal process in your skin. It sounds scary. Redness is expected. I did experience some redness. My skin was a little sensitive after using it, but I will say that my skin never looked better the day after I used this. So next up we have the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. Oh wow, this shit fell out. But yeah, it smells like Gerber baby food, and you put this on once a week. So yeah, after I put this on my skin, I did feel a little bit of redness, a little bit of irritation, but I did read that that was normal. So if you do put this on your face and it starts to tingle a little bit, it's normal. Next up we have the Activated Charcoal Clay Mask. If you guys have ever tried the Aztec Healing Clay Mask, this is just like it. I'm sure there's like slight differences in it. It's making a mess on my pretty white desk. This one seems to have all types of oils, and it even has vitamin C in there. Oh, it's actually Italian green clay. So yeah, this one's a little different. Use that once a week. So actually they gave me one more product, which is called the Pore Smasher. Now with the Pore Smasher, you're supposed to keep it in the freezer for a minimum of 30 minutes. And with the Banish roller, you use this only once a week, because if you use it more, then it can actually cause more harm than good. So now I'm going to get into the skincare routine. Banish actually has this PDF form of this step-by-step guide of what to do on certain days. Like on Sunday, you have the charcoal mask, the Pore Smasher, the Banishing roller, the serum, and the elixir. So if you guys purchase it, go to the website, look up the starter kit, and click on the PDF, and it'll show you a step-by-step guide on what to do. But with that being said, let's get into the skincare routine.
remember the day you